it's me, Blippi, and this is my best friend, Meekah.
Hi, I'm Meekah. Nice to meet ya. And this is our car, the Blippi Mobile.
Yeah, the Blippi Mobile takes us to amazing places where we have awesome adventures. I wonder, where will we go today? Jump in the Blippi Mobile.
Jump in.
We're playing
And learning
along the way. Hey, adventures, come this way. It's Blippi and Meekah's ultimate road trip. Yay! I love playing with my excavator toy, Meekah.
Me too, Blippi. Look, I'm pushing dirt around with my bulldozer toy. Beep, beep.
It would be so cool if we could play with real construction vehicles. They are so awesome!
Blippi, they're building something new in town. We should go visit the construction site today.
That's a great idea! Wait, are you thinking what I'm thinking? Road trip! Hey, friend, do you want to come with us? All right!
Awesome! I'll check the maps I've got in my jam pack.
Meet you at the Blippi Mobile! BLIPPIMOBILE. Click, click, put your seatbelts on.
Get ready for a ride.
We're gonna have some fun. In the Blippi Mobile, we'll drive away. Finding new adventures, we'll laugh and play. Let's ride! L-I-P-P-I.
Let's go!
O-B-I-L-E.
All right. According to my map and compass watch, we keep going down this street and the construction site will be on the left.
Awesome! And I know the perfect game to play while we drive there. What's outside your window?
Hey, friend, do you want to play What's Outside Your Window with us? Awesome!
You can look outside.
Close your eyes.
Imagine what you see. A monster truck.
The plane.
Who knows? What's outside your window?
Okay, I'll go first. There's a yellow bird, and it's singing a beautiful song. What do you see outside your window? And what sound does it make? Awesome!
That sounds like construction. We're here. I can't wait to explore the site. Let's go speak to that woman with the clipboard. Hey, it's me, Blippi, and this is my best friend, Meekah.
Nice to meet ya.
Hi there! My name's Judy, and I'm the forewoman of this construction site.
Hi, Judy. What does a forewoman do?
A forewoman is in charge of the whole construction site and all the workers. And it's my job to make sure everything gets done right and on time.
Wow, that's an important job.
You bet!
Construction sites are so cool. Can we take a look around? I love looking at all the vehicles.
Sure you can. Here's hard hats and orange vests. These will help to keep you safe.
Thank you, Judy. It's important to stay safe with hats and vests in a construction site.
Have a good time and be careful.
Thank you. Whoa, there's so much to see and hear. I wonder if we'll see an excavator.
Hey, I know the perfect game we can play. What's that sound?
Yeah! Do you want to play too? Awesome! What's that sound? Follow your ears, what do you hear? A honk, a splash, or even a roar! Listen all around for the sounds today!
Okay, let's listen.
Whoa! It's an excavator! Yeah! And do you hear that? It's picking up dirt! Hey, dirt! See you later! What do you hear? That is awesome!
Hey, Blippi, check it out! Is that a twirly red slide?
Yeah! I wonder what they're building here. Hey, let's go and ask Judy.
Oh, that's a great idea. I see her right by the big yellow crane.
Hey, Blippi. Hey, Meekah. Are you enjoying the construction?
We sure are. Judy, we were wondering, what are you building here?
We're building a playground.
A playground? That's so awesome!
When will the playground be open?
Unfortunately, our crew is working as hard as we can, but we only have so many hands. So I'm hoping we can finish it on time today.
Maybe we can help to get the job done faster.
I'd love that, Blippi. But sadly, I don't have any more excavators you can drive.
But we do.
Oh, you do?
Yeah, my Blippi mobile has an excavator arm.
Great idea, Blippi!
That sounds perfect. I'd love the extra help.
I'm gonna need the excavator arm.
Excavator arm confirmed.
Whoa, that looks awesome, Blippi. Like your Blippi mobile, an excavator has an arm with a bucket at the end of it to pick up dirt. Can you dig a hole over there by the swing set with your excavator arm?
You got it, Judy! I love digging holes in the dirt. Hey, do you want to dig with me? Cool! I'm an excavator.
An excavator.
Hey, dirt, see you later. I'm an excavator. I've got a great big arm and a great big boom. If I start digging now, I'll be done real soon. I'm a dirt separator. I'm an excavator.
Hey, you two, I've got good news. Because you helped us, the playground is done. And I was wondering, do you want to be the first ones to play on it?
You mean we helped and now the playground is ready?
Yep, that's right.
Whoa! If everybody pitches in, the work gets done quicker and playtime can begin!
I'm going on the twirly red slide!
Yeah! And I can't wait to swing on a swing set. Thanks, Judy.
Here I come! That was so much fun!
I'm swinging so high!
Yeah! Oh, that was super fun, Blippi! But I think it's time for us to head back to the clubhouse.
You're right, Meekah. Let's go.
This day was awesome!
Yeah, I loved helping Judy and her construction team finish building the playground. It's been so much fun learning new things today. What did we learn today?
Learning is so cool!
1, 2, 3, can you tell me?
I learned that hard hats and orange vests help keep you safe at construction sites.
Yeah. And an excavator has a huge arm with a big bucket on it to dig up dirt.
I liked it all so much. Wait, I have an idea. Let's have another road trip real soon.
Great idea, Meekah. And you're invited too.
Bye!
Bye-bye. Wow, Meekah, that sunset was so colorful.
Yeah, what a pretty night. Look, there's just a little streak of orange left at the edge of the sky.
Yeah, it's pretty dark out. Uh-oh! How will we see our way back to the clubhouse?
Don't worry. In my jam pack, I've got a...
Flashlight. Good thinking, Meekah. Whoa, what's that? Shine the light up there, Meekah. Are those birds?
Most birds don't fly at night. So those must be bats.
So cool! wonder, where are they going? And how can they see where they're going in the dark?
Let's follow them and find out.
That's a great idea. Wait, are you thinking what I'm thinking? Road trip! Hey, friend, do you want to come with us? All right!
Awesome! I'll check the maps I've got in my jam pack.
Meet you at the Blippi Mobile! B-L-I-P-P-I-M-O-B-I-L-E. Click, click, put your seatbelts on.
Get ready for a ride.
We're gonna have some fun in the Blippi Mobile. We'll drive away, finding new adventures. We'll laugh and play. Let's ride! L-I-P-P-I.
Let's go!
O-B-I-L-E. To follow the bats, we're gonna need to fly. I'm gonna need wings.
Wings confirmed.
The Blippi Mobile is ready for adventure.
Woohoo! We're flying!
This is awesome! And with the Blippi Mobile's super strong headlights, we can see where we're going.
Yeah! And look, there are the bats. Let's follow them.
Here we go! I wonder where they're leading us. While we follow them, I have the perfect game we could play. What's outside your window?
Hey, friend, do you want to play What's Outside Your Window with us? Awesome!
You can look outside.
Close your eyes.
Imagine what you see. A monster truck.
A plane.
Who knows? What's outside your window?
It's pretty dark out there. What was that? Oh, I see something sitting on that treetop. It's an owl. Hoo, hoo, to you too, owl. What do you see outside your window? And what sound does it make? Awesome!
Meekah, the bats are flying right toward the side of that hill.
They're not just flying towards the hill, Blippi. They're flying into the hill. The bats are leading us into that cave!
Whoa! We're in a cave, Meekah. Let's hop out and have a look around with your flashlight.
Yeah. Ooh! It's so cool in here. The walls and ceiling are all made of rock, and some of it is super sparkly.
Yeah! And look, there's a river in here.
Hello? Who's there?
Hey, it's me, Blippi. And this is my best friend, Meekah.
Nice to meet ya.
It's nice to meet you too. I'm Isabella Caverna.
What are you doing in this cave, Isabella?
I'm a spelunker. Do you know what that is?
Yeah, that's the sound a rock makes when you throw it in the water. Like this. Hey!
Yes, it did sort of go spelunk, Blippi. But a spelunker is also a person who explores caves, like me.
Cool!
This cave was formed by the river slowly carving away the rock over millions of years. Look, here's a map of the whole cave.
Ooh, I love maps. And I have all kinds of maps here in my jam pack. Look!
Yeah, maps are great. Look here. Deep in the cave is this huge underground grand chamber. It's amazing. I wish you could see it, but you can't get to it right now.
Why not?
The river is too high, so the only way to reach it is by going underwater.
Well, that's no problem at all when you have the Blippi Mobile.
Oh, great! Here, take my map and take this walkie-talkie so we can communicate along the way.
Thanks, Isabella.
I'm gonna need the propeller and duck feet.
Propeller, duck feet, confirmed.
Grand chamber, here we come!
Whoa! We're going so deep into this cave, Blippi. Oh, look! Fish! And crabs, too! And they're all completely white!
How's it going, you two?
Great! We're seeing some cool fish and crabs that are all white. Why don't they have any color?
Without our flashlights and the Blippi-mobile's headlights, it's completely dark in here. There's nothing to see, so they have no need for colors.
If they can't see, how do they know where they're going?
Great question. The crabs get around by feeling their way, and the fish follow their noses and smell their way.
They use their other senses. So cool!
Blippi, according to the map, we should be in the Grand Chamber.
To the surface! Going up!
Wow! This place is huge.
It feels like we're in a giant theater. And listen, I echo!
Echoes are awesome. Your voice is bouncing off the cave walls and coming back to our ears. So we hear it again and again.
Awesome! La 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 la.
You sound amazing, Blippi. Hey, I know the perfect game we can play. What's that sound?
Yeah! Do you want to play too? Awesome! What's that sound? Follow your ears, what do you hear? A honk, a splash, or even a roar! Listen all around for the sounds today!
Okay, let's turn off our flashlights to make it completely dark and just listen.
I know what sound that is. The flapping wings of bats. And they're squeaking, too. What do you hear? That is awesome! Whoa! Why are those bats so squeaky?
The bats squeak. Then they listen for their squeaks to bounce off the walls and come back to their ears. That way, they can hear where the walls are, even though they can't see them. It's called echolocation.
Whoa!
There are so many ways to get around. The bats use their ears, the fish follow their noses, and the crabs feel their way around.
Yeah, if we can't do something one way, we can always find another way. And that's great! Nocturnal, nocturnal, nocturnal animals. Some animals sleep in the day. No way! Then wake up at night to play. So silly. And to get to where they need to be, they use more than their eyes to see.
Okay.
Fishes use their nose, crabs crawl around the cove, bats use their ears to hear when things are near. Nocturnal, nocturnal, nocturnal animals. Nocturnal, nocturnal, nocturnal animals. Hey, Meekah, we gotta give Isabella her map and walkie-talkie back.
Right, let's go.
Bye-bye, fish and crabs.
Hey, there's Isabella.
That was amazing, Isabella. Thanks for lending us your walkie-talkie and map, and for helping us find the Grand Chamber.
No problem. Come back anytime and we'll explore some more. Bye.
Bye. Okay, fly us home, Blippi.
I'm gonna need wings.
Wings confirmed.
It's been so much fun learning new things today. What did we learn today?
Learning is so cool.
1, 2, 3, can you tell me? That cave was awesome! And we learned that bats get around in the dark with only their ears, using echolocation.
Yeah, and there are some fish that get around by smelling their way.
And some crabs that navigate by feeling their way along. So cool. That was an awesome trip.
I liked it all so much. Wait, I have an idea. Let's have another road trip real soon.
Great idea, Meekah. And you're invited too.
Bye!
Bye-bye. in the Blippi Mobile.
Jump in!
We're playing
And learning
along the way. Hey, adventures, come this way. It's Blippi and Meekah's ultimate road trip. Yay! This podcast is executive produced by Moonbug Entertainment and Wheelhouse DNA.